Hey everyone, welcome back to StockX India. Good to see you again. In this video, we are diving into how Nifty would behave in the next 1 year, and I'll walk you through some key data points, micro and macro factors, and some other variables which would support the Nifty's move. And also towards the end, I'll share my opinion on how it would behave. Let's get into it. We are in the weekly time frame of Nifty chart. If we zoom back a little and see how Nifty has behaved since COVID, right after the all-time high, after the COVID crash, and when it tried to recover, it was almost like a one-way momentum till the top. From 2021 to 23, for around 1 year, at this point, the price was consolidating. Then again, we had a big bull run, and overall, it was like a structural bull run from COVID till here. All right, and from September 2024 to till today, the price has moved almost nowhere, and it's around the same point again. So we are at a point of breakout. So from here, the price could directly move up after the breakout, or it might consolidate for some time and then move higher, or it could directly follow. Anything can happen. Let's look at some data points which will take Nifty higher. Compared to other global markets, Indian market is looking good. And on the emerging markets front, India has really underperformed. For the FY 25-26 quarter 1, the GDP growth rate was estimated at 6.5 percentage earlier. It was then revised to 6.7 percentage, but the actual growth rate was 7.8%. It has beaten all the estimates, and also all the big investment banks and research houses are revising the estimates for financial year 26 as well. So India would grow at a better rate. And if you look at the FI and EI data in cash market, if you look at the monthly data, in the previous months they were selling quite a lot, but the selling was little lower in the previous month, and the selling kind of bottomed out. And if you look at this month, it has also come down. By the end of this month, we'll know about this. And the DIs are very strong about the Indian market, and they are pumping in the money. And you can look at that. DIs are very strong about the Indian market, and also the important thing is they have a lot of money that is coming through SIPs. The other factor is there's too much liquidity in the domestic markets due to SIP inflows, increase in SIP inflows month on month. And also India has underperformed compared to the other emerging markets. So there is also a move pending from Indian markets. And also there is a political stability. In the recent Bihar elections, the BJP has got a great mandate. So with that we can tell that the political stability is very strong. Although there are a lot of efforts happening on that front to destabilize the Indian politics, but despite all of that, things are going good, and the earnings of companies are also expected to grow in the coming quarters. We are also having a good earnings estimates from the companies. And if all of these factors play out, my view is that Nifty would reach 29,000 by December 2026. This is not a certainty, like it is a possibility. It may happen or it may not happen. If all these factors play out, then it would definitely reach here by the end of next year. So all those factors should play together for this move to happen till 29,000. And even if something goes wrong, I am like how people are fearing about the AI market bubble. If the market falls in US, it would definitely lead to a fall in India as well. But the recovery would be stronger compared to other markets. It would be stronger and faster. So we need not worry about that, but we should definitely plan about it in case if there is some fall. No one really knows what is going to happen in the market, but in case if there is a fall, we should be looking for a bottom and try to re-enter to capture the move. That's all for this video guys. Thank you.